Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Apple ID on the device you'll update. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication prompts are available because Apple will verify changes. Next, navigate to Settings or System Preferences and tap your name. This is where payment methods live. You're doing this now to avoid later reauthentication delays. Prepare the new card details and billing address so you can enter them without interruption. Doing so minimizes failed updates and charges being declined. You'll now add or edit the payment method. Once in Payment and Shipping or Manage Payments, tap Add Payment Method to enter a card or choose an existing method to update details. Enter number, expiry, CVV, and confirm the billing address exactly as your bank has it. Mismatches cause declines. After saving, Apple may perform a small authorization to validate the card. This is normal. Make sure to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password when prompted to finalize the change. You finish by confirming the new method is listed as primary and that subscriptions will bill correctly. Once confirmed, make a small purchase or check a renewal to ensure processing works. If a charge is declined, check card limits, available balance, billing address accuracy, and any bank fraud holds. These are common causes. If problems persist, contact your bank to clear holds and then Apple support for account-level issues. Doing both usually resolves stuck updates quickly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.